with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none. Pity on think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, you'll be learning how to make a African flower. And I was going to make it into a square, but I just decided to stop. So maybe I'll do a full tutorial and go into detail, but this tutorial will not be in full detail, but I will be explaining to you everything you need. So for round one, you're going to put 20 double crochets into your magic circle. Everyone should know how to make a magic circle. If you don't, you just chain 4 and then slip stitch and then put your double crochets in the chain 4. So for round 2, we're going to be doing 1 double crochet. The next stitch, we're going to do a double crochet, and then we're going to chain 2 as I'm pointing to. Double crochet, chain 2. Double crochet, chain 2. And that's what round 2 is looking like. It's very self-explanatory. This does not take long to make, so that's why I thought I should make a quick tutorial. For the next round, you're going to make a cluster in between those spaces of chain 2, which is 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the same space. You're going to do that all the way around, and this is what it should look like for round 3. Very self-explanatory. I'm just pointing at where you guys should be starting your round 4 with the black. So that's what I'm using. That's where I was pointing to in those corners. So you're going to put 7 double crochets in each corner that you made. 7 double crochets. That's why you see it looks like the flower is blooming. It gets a little bumpy. You're going to see that, and that's what you're going to be doing. So for round 5, we're going to be making a long single crochet, which means you're going to go under the green and pull it all the way up to the top. Under the green, all the way up to the top. Everyone should know how to make a single crochet. You stick your yarn hook under, and then you yarn over and you bring it all the way up. So I'm just showing you with my finger where it should start, and then you're just going to put 7 single crochets on top of the 7 double crochets that you made in round 4. And then you're just going to continue with the long single crochet and then the 7 regular single crochets, and then you're done. So this is what it should look like. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to my channel, please.